Hey everybody, it's Brian, D&S Automotive. We just finished up this 2024 Trail Boss, and we got the mecca of tire sizes on it. I'm going to show you how to get 35s on your Trail Boss with just a little bit of work. Check it out. So for this 2024 Trail Boss, ReadyLift makes an SST kit specifically for that package to give you 2 inches of lift. It comes with control arms, preload spacers and strut spacers, and to get the 35 on here, we added a 1/4 inch wheel spacer to get the extra clearance from the control arm. On the tire size, we didn't go with the traditional 35, we actually went with a 295/65/20, which is 35 inches tall and 11.5 inches wide, and sparing that extra inch of width gives us that clearance we need to get the 35s to get the full look that you're looking for. Take a look. So that's it, 2-inch lift, Chevy Silverado Trail Boss, 35-inch tires. We're able to keep the factory wheels. A lot of people love those and like that look. We can also upgrade your wheels as well. If you need any of these accessories on your vehicle, give us a call. You can reach us 440-946-2178. Thanks.